Hi, I'm going to be demonstrating a simple hack to make sure that you get rid of those small, thin, irritating wires which poke you at the back of your braces. You need one tool, and that's a very simple tool, the nail clipper. If you have this, we're all set to go. So let me show you. As you can see over here, that the wire is extending out. This is the back and this is the front, right? So it's extending from the last braces, and this is what causes the irritation. All you need to do is pick any two braces, any two brackets between which you would want to cut the wire off. Generally, the braces which are relatively in the front are easier to cut, which are more at the back are more difficult to cut, right? You can pick any of the ones that you are convenient with. That's most important. For example, if we pick these two brackets, it is important to remember that when you cut the wire should be cut closer to the front braces rather than the back braces. So when you're going to place your nail clipper, you must place it closer to this rather than this bracket. Okay. Now let me show you how it's done. We're going to be placing the nail clipper. Hope you can see it clearly right here. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, snap. Now you can see a wire extending. You can just hold it with your finger and gently start teasing it out. Can you see I'm taking the wire out? And there you see the wire has come out. Now you will see that there is no wire extending at the back. So this is a very simple way of ensuring that small thin wires stop irritating you at the back of your jaw. And I can tell you something, you can try this at home. Okay, let us know if you have any other problems. Cheers, bye for now.